Hey, yeah,
What
I
is
just
going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another live stream. Oh, what did I just do? There we go.
you're just going away, buddy. You're on YouTube live.
How did the 4 hour close? Just curious. 4 hour close, bullish.
Bullish. It's just this 1 hour though. I was just waiting for this 1 hour to close. If it's closing bullish or bearish. The last 1 hour closed bearish.
Tops that 1 hour looks bullish too. Or 4 hour, excuse me.
Yeah, still bullish. Just want to see how this 1 hour closed. I don't want to get caught
Hmm.
the whiplash. See how she is right now. Both sides. Just go and wait.
I think I need one more trade to qualify for a top set payout. So let's see if today's the day. I ended up losing yesterday for the first time, y'all, on Apex. Lost only $90. Um, just decided to call it. Wasn't really in the right mindset. So that's what Apex tries to do. It tries to send you these emails, these delays, these denials, just so it can, knock you off your game. They almost got me,
They be trying, bro.
you know. Don't want to get in the middle, so let's see if we can come into any of these zones.
I mean, I just want to see if you see any water coming. No, they're like that. Oh, they use it all, right? That's about it. Uh-huh.
All right, so this is the email they sent me. Your P payment request recently has been delayed due to missing or invalid pay method information. This can be due to many reasons, including missing tax ID, the wrong or missing routing or account number, wrong or missing account owner information. Please update and validate your bank information in the Apex Trader Funding Trader dashboard payout method area as soon as possible. So I went in and tried to update it, but it's locked. It says you need to contact support to unlock it. And submitted a ticket. They said that's right about here. In order to proceed, we kindly ask that you complete our identity verification process once again. Even if you have recently completed it, a fresh verification is required to move forward with your current request. We've already reset the verification for you. You can now log into your Apex account and begin the process. Once completed, please notify us so we can continue assisting you. So did that yesterday, sent an email, but I think they respond every 24 to 48 hours. So if they have me waiting 24 to 48 hours after each response, they are really delaying this payout for me. But I'm not worried. At least happy they responded to me. And yeah, And just the meantime, I guess in the meantime, it's just important for me to not mess up, not get emotional, do something that's gonna hurt me.
When did you get that though? Today?
I got the delay. I requested it last Thursday. They responded back Friday. Friday was the initial automatic email saying it's going to be delayed. So I submitted a ticket that day, Friday. They got back to me yesterday, and um I resubmit, or I guess I responded to them yesterday as well. So
Yeah.
they
Did you
don't
ask them if you're
yeah.
gonna have to go through this every time?
I did not. Probably will after um this next email. But I'll keep you guys updated. They're doing it on purpose, exactly. They're doing it on purpose, hoping you will mess up. If they do this, it means it works 95, 100%. And they almost got me yesterday. I had my first losing day. I lost about $90, and I stopped because I noticed I wasn't in the right mindset because of this. Yeah, you're 100% right. That's how they get you. They want me to crash out. So in the meantime, I guess I'm just gonna decrease my risk and probably not even trade on my Apexes. I'll probably just trade on my top step accounts. In the meantime, y'all. Again, at the end, they don't want us to win. We're taking money from them, unfortunately. So y'all know I would much rather put my money in a firm that, looks out for the best interest of their traders. That's what I'm considering doing. Maybe with this payout, I'll just fund my own personal account. But even then, you're still gonna have, I guess depending on the broker or if I know someone. There was one time I put me and Roy actually, I'm not gonna say the broker name, but we put 20K each in an account, and they had us doing backflips just to take the money out. He said, send a picture of you on your third birthday holding your birthday cake. It's,
Like,
it's,
we
it's
need you to
honestly
spit in this
crazy.
cup and send this over to us, please.
You feel me?
Oh
Oh
man.
man. All right, looks like we're going bullish. That 1 hour candle looks really good. Let's see how we close.
You sound like you're surprised though. You're going bullish. Sounds like you've never seen this before.
Man, leave me alone, bro.
It's like, what are we doing today, guys?
Leave that poor man alone, bro. He's gone through enough this morning.
Top Step did that to me on my first payout, made 23K on an account in 2 weeks. So 50% of that, for 50% of it for payout, and they wanted to send me to live and transfer my funds instead of paying me out. 2 weeks later, they made payout caps with the 5K payout cap. Damn, that's unfortunate to hear. What account size did you have, Malik, if you don't mind me asking? And with Top Step, don't you get the 100% of the first 10K? Curious.
Boys, I'm telling you, that's why I've been doing the freaking live accounts. It's super nice. Super nice.
I bet, man.
You don't have to worry about any of that BS.
It's like she's wicking back down. 5 minutes wicking.
You got
Just
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
like we're at the 61. From this drop here, it looks like we're right below the 88. I think that was that same area, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. It's still gonna, even with the wicks, it looks like it's gonna close bullish. Let's see. It's gonna be patient. It's gonna be patient, y'all. Can't hear the audio. You guys can't hear us?
On YouTube.
You're good on YouTube too. You good.
I don't
All
know.
right, thank you.
I say check your audio settings. All right, cool. Excuse me. If you can come back down here, I would feel more comfortable taking that buy off the 88.
See.
See if we come down here, maybe react or reject.
Because we also at the high now. Like on the higher time frame, we're still at the high. So it's very cautious of buying.
So does anyone use the mobile version of Tradeovate? I've never tried it. Has anyone else? Yeah, so after arguing, I got paid out 11,000. Well done with a singular 150K account. Nice. That's really impressive. Risk was definitely not the best, but I have learned since then. Risking like 1,500 to 3,000 a trade. Had a 17,000 short on gold when the China announced their oversupply of gold on Sunday. Wow, well done. Anyone take the sell? No, I haven't gotten into anything yet.
We're waiting for the hourly closure. The 1 hour.
Looks like it's a bit indecisive. 30-minute is wicking. Still closing bullish though. Let's see. Got 1 minute left.
Feeling like she's wicking that area again. That 9:30, the opening.
All right, 1 hour close indecisive.
Yeah.
5 hour close on MNQ bullish.
It's like the same area where it closed last hour. The exact sound. But the smaller time frame are closing uh still indecisive. Choppy.
5 minute looks like it's holding here.
It doesn't look too strong for bulls. I can see this head and shoulder on the celly.
No, I'm gonna hold off. Even though that 30-minute wick is still closed bullish and engulfed the previous 30-minute.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm thinking we might need to wait a little longer now. Cells. What you think about cell?
Sells maybe a bit higher. Like even from here, the 88 lines up with that zone, and we could see it respected here in the past.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
From the body, it looks like it's just shy.
I have a question, Omi. Why did you take it from that body instead of the body up top?
For that 88.
Yes, like yeah, instead of right there. That's where mine is, but I might be doing it wrong.
No, I mean, I drove from both, and I see that we did have a reaction from here as well. I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I see that we kind of got some confluence as well with this zone.
Gotcha.
I don't know if I trust this zone, yo.
I really, yeah, I don't either.
The wicks look nice, but we're still closing bullish, right? Maybe if it flipped, closed bearish, that would entice me a bit more. Yeah, if y'all, don't let me stop you. I don't control the markets. Like if you see something that aligns with your strategy, by all means. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing.
We just out here.
Hopefully get some movement. Been scalping the range, my man. See you, Sam.
Yeah, it's choppy, man. This is choppy price action.
Excuse me. YouTube saying, I think they took the silence for mute. On the 30-minute, why did you say it engulfed, but the body didn't close above? On the 30-minute, I was saying, oh, I guess it didn't. It looked like it did. No, I'm on the 15, excuse me, hold on. This 30-minute candle
It did.
is bigger than this previous 30-minute candle.
It did. Yeah, it
Oh, it
is.
engulfed it. Right, even though we did wick, the candle still engulfed the previous candle. That's what I meant. Does that make sense?
It's bigger.
Above previous high on the 30-minute. So I meant engulf the previous candle. Hope that makes sense. Kind of moving a little slow after that 10 a.m. candle.
There's just no vol. Yeah. And that candle was even nothing, bro. It was like it went from 20 to 90. Like, all right, 70 points.
Which one? The 1 hour?
What?
Which candle are you talking about?
I'm just talking about the entire range. We just moved from
Gotcha.
the opening until now. The high to the low. It's like chump change for us.
I mean, yesterday it didn't really start moving pretty clean until the afternoon, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. Nothing was moving yesterday until like afternoon.
Yeah, I think this was 9 a.m. We came up, came down.
Yeah, I didn't really push until that 8 p.m. that when you sent that out. Like a random bullish push.
They may be waiting for Trump to speak to move the market. Is he speaking today?
He is. It's
No, that could be it then. What time?
like 8 p.m. I think.
8
Again,
p.m.
later tonight.
Sheesh.
Should we be trading London, brothers?
4 p.m. Eastern time. T, what are you talking about?
Oh, 4 p.m.
You gotta check your facts with T. Speaking of, I ended up going out with T this weekend. Or last
Oh
weekend, excuse
no.
me. Man, your boy got T'd.
Oh
Don't,
no.
don't say I don't take care of you, T.
Oh no, bro.
It's like don't tell your friends and family you got a payout coming.
Bruh, I woke up, I drove all the way back here, like as soon as I got up.
Yeah, man, you drinking too much, man. I'm on my tab.
Bro, I saw some charges on my tab too next day.
Yeah, because Joe was bullying you to buy him a drink. I don't know if he's on here. Yeah, he's on here. Yo, this thing is moving super slow. So you got this 1 minute area here. Looks like we just been kind of ranging.
Yeah. Uh, on no news days, it's usually like this. Like yesterday. Moving slow.
Let's see. Let's trade for like another hour or so, see if we get any movement. If not, we'll probably come back for that meeting at 4.
Yeah, I'm in Richmond.
Damn, you gotta drive to Richmond for work, Sam? Is that
Oh, hey. You
is
pull
that
up, brother.
Yo, yeah, I'm here. I'm here today and tomorrow.
so
Uh-huh. Are you in the office?
Let's link, my boy.
Are you in the office?
I'm heading in like 20 minutes, yeah.
Okay. But yeah, after. Come on. Come on through, my guy.
I just found the
I hit
screenshot.
you.
All right. Back up. Back down. Back up.
God, excuse me. Part of me just wants to buy.
Me too, bruh. Me too. But it's just like if you look at the 4 hour, oh, it just
Yeah.
you buying tippy top.
Yeah. I would love for it to come down.
Yeah.
They're looking to break above 21850. That would be great, Malik. I mean, it looks like you can see on the 4 hours, we're definitely holding above this area. Right? We tested, reacted, tested, reacted, tested, reacted. Finally broke above, and looks like we're holding above.
25-2, yeah. I mean 22-2. Heading there. Wow, wow, wow. All-time high soon, eh?
Almost.
We're within 1,000 now, 1,000 points.
The weekly did close bullish.
Brother, this thing is,
Monthly is looking bullish.
oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what they do in the background, but stock market is flying. There's a lot of new companies getting added to, a lot of money, a lot of influx of new money into the NASDAQ. No wonder it's flying. It's the age of technology.
Spell technology.
Technology.
All right, we got 1 minute left until this 15-minute candle. Looks bullish. I know China and US talks are still going on or going, so market's probably waiting on settlement for that.
Yeah, when that thing is signed, this thing is gonna fly past that all-time high. Or we get dropped with another bad news. Trump say some crazy, crazy 200% tariff on China again. Watch this thing just drop soon.
Like we've just been ranging this 1 minute zone. Can we get a movement? Can we get a push above within the next hour, yo? All right, that 5 minute candle was strong. I'm assuming the 15 candle was also strong. Still closing bullish, even though we're wicking.
It's time to break out of that initial like 15-minute high. This small resistance.
I'm seeing it break. Let's see. 30-minute and 14 more minutes. 30-minute closure, 15 more minutes. Real question, y'all think the Elon and Trump beef is all just a chess move? I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been really paying attention to it like that. I honestly had to download X just to see what was going on. Let me go ahead and see. Give me 1 second.
I honestly think it's just a distraction. Get the public eyes off the main focus. Ethereum is starting to move again. If you start and follow the money, it's a lot easier to navigate. When things like this happen, there's always something in the background that they don't want you to know. It's like they try to slide under the table without the public knowing. But there's always indications of something happening.
You think that's why they had all those plane crashes?
Bro, riots going on, everything's going on. It's just like the public is getting distracted from something that they trying to do big.
My bad, yo. Slim was giving me a little call. All right, let's see if we hold like this, maybe even break above. She wanna go all the way to the top.
She
Yeah, we
really
break.
doesn't want to give us a little pullback, eh?
I don't think so. I think she might just go.
Pull us back. Pull us back. Bro, I was so happy when I saw that thing coming down this morning. I was like,
Yeah.
yes. I was like, yes.
Should have bought it.
And this thing is wow, right back up. I'm like, all right, bro.
Yeah, that retest, that wick from that zone down here.
Yeah, bro. I want to
Wick,
see
wick,
that
wick.
at 9:30, not that at 2 a.m. Like what? Who the hell trading at 2 a.m., 3 a.m.?
Yeah, you'd be surprised, man.
Yeah, I know you. Oh, I know you.
Not me.
You be putting your alarm clock up.
Not me.
The silent killer, the silent sniper. You know, it would be tough. VR headset and trading like with this. You don't have to get up.
Dog T, do you have a problem, bro?
You don't have to get up from your bed. You just click buy or sell.
So only if I didn't have to sleep, I'd be catching all the 88 sixes.
For real, man.
We'll make an algo. The magnet, the super secret magnet indicator. Damn. Damn. This thing looks like it wants to go. Um, if it could just come down one more time, that would be phenomenal.
Bro, I was waiting for 800. 21,800. It is what it is.
21.8 for what? For a buy or for a sell?
Yeah. Good morning for a buy.
For it to break above?
Break below 21,800.
Are you looking at what price are you looking at? TradingView?
No trigger rate.
Uh, yeah. Yeah, it looked like it tapped it. No, a little bit. It tapped 21805.
And on
No,
trigger rate?
at least here.
Oh, on that. No,
This
yeah.
wick.
On trigger rate, it was it didn't tap.
Five minute looks like it's holding. Let's see in 2 minutes how this 5 minute closes. He's scalping this range. I think this is where the 10 a.m. candle was. Yeah, right around here. Came down, came up. That's pretty much it. This has been the movement so far of this call. Right around here.
Lame, lame, lame as hell. Boo boo price action.
Yeah, it's super slow. Trying to be selective with my trades, take high quality setups.
That's what they all say, and then you
And then I'm in
lots in there.
a 5 minute buy.
Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute. Break up the low.
No, I can't do that. Can't buy any more challenges, so I gotta treat every single trade like it's life or death.
He was considering. You saw that, people? You saw that, everybody? He was considering. He was considering placing a buy right here.
Let's see. Get the 30-minute candle in 5 minutes. 5 minute is creating a double top. Getting some indecision though around this area. But this 5 minute engulfing candle just looks so aggressive.
Very aggressive.
What would make me convince itself this 30 minute at least flipped and closed bearish and then we came back to tap? That would entice me to get into this, so
Yeah, I can see a sell if this next candle, the 1 hour flip, somehow flip, and just stay down there, stay on the bearish side.
30 minute looks like it's gonna close above these bodies here.
30 bar close in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It's not over until it's over. Wow. Oh, call the market maker, bro. Call somebody.
This signal, I'm
Call
dead.
Jerome. Call Jerome, bro. Call JP. Nah, Trump calling him too late is crazy. His nickname is now too late. He doesn't call him by his name anymore. That's kind of crazy.
Who, Elon or Jerome?
Jerome, JP. He called him too late now. You know, he does not even refer him by his first name. That's a government official.
All right, we're wicking yet again. Still closing bullish though. Let's see if it flips.
The 1 hour want to flip, bro.
1 hour.
That 1 hour want to flip. You want to flip and drop. Please, just drop.
You in a sell, bro?
No, I just want to buy, bro. I don't want to do nothing. I want to make some money, man. This thing ain't dropping. What I'm gonna do? Buy top?
Exactly. As soon as it closes above, we'll buy it to the next zone and then we'll call it.
I'm just gonna keep moving up and up.
Oh my gosh.
No one trying to sell, bro. Ain't nobody looking at this juicy. They're like, the juicy spot to sell. Nobody.
No, they're probably thinking I could get a better position up here or up here.
It's too. Yeah, God.
Hmm. Might need to go get some soup after this, y'all. Some ramen or some pho, yeah. Yo, T, you ended up finding Brian on Friday? They ended up waiting for you? Or was it Saturday? No, Friday.
With Brian?
Yeah, him and Nguyen.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I ended up like when like forgot his key. He ended up just knocking on the door and I opened the door for him.
Yeah, I was worried about you, bro.
No, me and Wen was saving. I saved Wen because he forgot his keys. He said I was out there for an hour. I was
Sheesh.
like, yeah.
All right, y'all. So the 30-minute closed bullish. Looks like we ate some of that wick from the previous 30-minute. 1 hour is looking bullish. We got
15
30,
bullish,
15, still closing bullish.
but it's I don't know.
Yeah, I want it to come back down
It's just
here, at
yeah,
least here for a buy.
it's not a true like bullish move. If this thing just started flying, it'll tap like an 88 up here and then drop back down.
Well, the 88's in this area here. From this
Yeah,
swing at least.
yeah.
From this swing, I think it's a bit higher. I actually got to measure it again and see.
Like my stop loss would be a lot bigger than my the R&R would not be correct or looking right
Just spit it out.
because you have to put your stop loss below these wicks. So 830, 50 down, so 50 up.
Stop loss below the wicks for a buy?
Yeah,
Which wick? Here and here or down here?
don't have to go that far. Just the 930 wicks.
Mm. Oh, she's breaking.
But yeah, just considering like where you go to put your SL if you're to buy it right here, right now.
Below the next 1 hour body or something.
Yeah.
Or
What's your
wick.
target? Your target is just 88 up here.
Oh, we're breaking.
It's not, I don't think it's worth it in my opinion, just to risk that much for like 50, 30, 50, 60 points.
Has this been the slowest morning we traded so far, or is yesterday?
Today and yesterday. Well, there's no news on both days, so it's been just up and down around this range. The same thing happened yesterday. It came to this high, it shoots back down, it shoots up, and it shoots down, and it shoots up, and it shoots down. This is the exact same range we ran yesterday. We haven't
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, I would honestly love it for it to come back down to 21800.
Yeah.
So let's stay on for another 30 more minutes, see if we get any movement. If not, might have to just follow up with some updates in the chat, or we'll probably send another link during the Trump speech.
I mean, said Slim asking for a signal, bro.
He just called me. I told him I was on a call. He said send a signal. So Slim, buys off here. He been trading. I think he just traded US30 though.
He's trade U30, man.
Yeah, that boy a U30 fan. A fanatic.
Tell him, man, switch over to this side. It's calm and collected on this side.
I think he does funding pips.
On in pips.
Yeah.
Am I not seeing y'all's? Oh, it is sharing his chart. There's a chart right here.
My God, this is so boring.
It's like watching grass grow, right? I'm like, oh no, oh no.
That's exactly what it is. If we come back to an 88 buy here, y'all.
Would be so good. Well, I see this double top and drop. Please drop it.
Or even from this 88 here. Got it. Have to click the tab. Okay, cool. And some longs here, 1 micro. I'm trying to be right there with you, buddy.
Just to see. 1 micro, bro. Say $2. $2. What I'm doing with $2?
Hey, man, that adds up.
A little toe tap in the market. I didn't take a trade yesterday, and it looks like today no trade for me again until this thing comes down, bro.
Are you saying that or are you reading that somewhere?
Nah, I'm saying that.
Yeah, smart. Smart, smart, smart.
Just not looking right, bro. That's like the 4 hour, like doesn't look right. It's just too high. It's way too high. I'm not buying from up here. Like, am I crazy?
That's why they'll never remember your name, T.
I gotta be crazy, eh?
No, it's feeling like it's slow, like it is yesterday, T. It's honestly just so slow.
Yeah, I really don't know. It looks like it wants to push to the higher because it's just all these wicks to the bottom structurally. Just
I know trade of eight buys does look good, but it's gonna wait. Still waiting. Haven't taken any trades today, yo. Just conflicting. Yes, we are creating a head and shoulders. Yes, we are at an area of resistance, but the structure looks bullish. Right? We're making higher highs, higher lows. Right? We just broke this area of previous resistance that was well respected. Now it's testing as support. Last 4 hour candle closed bullish. Current candles are closing bullish. So just seeing contradicting biases.
it's not. It
There's,
just
there's no sense of clarity. Don't want to get into a trade without, you know, influence or confidence. See, we got 20 minutes until the hour closure. What do y'all think? Are we gonna hold below this zone? Are we gonna hold below and close bullish? Are we gonna flip, close bearish? That would entice me to sell. If we flipped, close bearish, maybe engulf the previous two 1 hours, and then we come back into the zone again for a sell, I could see that. I would like that a bit more. So I guess we just wait and see how we close.
if this 1 hour is gonna flip or what?
Yo, T, I'm getting a snap memory of us going to that gun range 5 years ago. Or at least we tried to.
Well,
You ended up stealing my bullets.
oh, the gun range?
Yeah.
Uh, was it with Roy?
Yeah, remember it was during COVID, but it was just so busy. We
Oh yeah,
couldn't get
yeah.
in. Do you ever use the VIX index as an indicator for bullish or bearish PA? I don't think I'm familiar with the VIX index. I honestly don't use any indicators at all.
Solely price action and 88.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been such a boring morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate you, CA fan page, honestly, showing love. But today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, tomorrow we have another free webinar if you guys want to join. Link is in the chat or on the website. That looks like sellers are holding this zone. We'll be honest with y'all.
Yeah, it's just moving. Oh look. Spoke too soon.
I was gonna say.
It just looks so ugly. Like this is like it was when I said choppy, this is it.
Yeah.
This is what price choppy on the chart looks like on the smaller time frame.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
She looking like she wants to move.
She breaking. 15 minutes. Did we get a 15-minute closure? Yep. Looks like it was bullish.
Another bullish
5-minute
15.
engulfed. Didn't break though. 15-minute looks like we closed above the highs. Is this it? Let's see how the 30-minute closes. And the 1 hour. If we break, I could see it come to the next zone, which is that 88 from this body. Not really convinced, honestly.
I really
Nothing's
don't.
really screaming at me. What is this? The 5-minute chart? Yeah. Nice. This is
Yeah.
this is US 30. We got a silent sniper in the chat. It's probably been the most slowest, most boring morning we've had so far. Not gonna lie, T. You don't have trade of it, or excuse me, you don't have Top Step anymore, right? Top
No,
Step. It looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
on the buy.
On the buy, yeah, 30 minute looks good. 12 minutes, 1 hour. Is it gonna finally break above? If we come back and retest, I might get in. So yeah, it's 5 minute closes. We got 13 minutes left. Buying tops. Yeah, spoke too soon. There we go. So when is this 4 hour close? It closes in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So I think the MNQ chart, yeah, it's one hour off. So it won't close until 3 hours and 10 minutes. Still holding NQ buys above 21850. Price target 21900. That's a good target area. I mean, yeah, if this 1 hour closes strong, it's a high chance we can continue pushing Malik. I haven't taken any trades yet. Just a heads up. Probably will stay on for 10 more minutes, y'all. Just because not really seeing not that much movement here. Don't want to waste anyone's time. Don't want to waste my time. Probably set some alerts and just go about my day. So it'll be a no trading day so far for me. Let's see. That 15 minute does look good, Malik, on the right here, this break. So we wigged and then we flipped and closed bullish. Hmm. Does anyone have any questions on the YouTube? Anyone have any questions at all? Yeah, 8 more minutes. Let's see how we close. Um,
Well, this morning has been boring.
yeah.
I spoke too soon in the beginning.
Yeah, I want to stay on for 7 more minutes. I gotta go about my day. Volatility is slowing, dropping, so we'll see if it holds. Not ideal trades for me, but risking total of 25% of my profits today. At least you're aware of that and decreasing your risk. Nope. Looks like it's wicking now. It's a good sign if we wick. 30-minute looks bullish, but it's not as strong. Let's see. 1 hour looks really bullish. Don't like the wick on the top side though. Did anyone take any trades? Just curious, other than Malik and I think John took sells. Devaney, did you take anything? Christine, NP, Sandra, Biggie, Joe. No, took a sell. Hopefully you were able to eat off it.
Joe's in both. I know it.
No, I don't think he is. He didn't text me yet.
Yeah, that's why he didn't text you yet. He's in both. He's in the sell and the buy. Oh, everybody's in the buy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the 30.
Holding to 21515.
Look at the ones about to flip in the last 4 minutes. Mm.
Really? No, no way.
Mm. Look at that. Huh? She can't do it.
It's too good to be true. You're holding to the negative 76, 70, or below that. Looking at your chart right now. I see rejection off the 61. We could definitely be bullish on the 88.6. It's wicking. I'm gonna be honest, it's wicking. But still looks like it's gonna close bullish. See, we got 2 minutes left. Yeah, the market could just be waiting for that 4 p.m. Meeting with Trump. We'll see.
Nah, it's waiting for me, bro. It's waiting for me to enter.
You sound like you entered.
Look, if I enter a buy right now, this thing will drop. If I enter a sell, this thing will fly.
It knows. Yo, okay, starting to flip in 1 minute. Let's see.
I told you, bro. Look at
Yeah,
the
let's
1
see.
hour.
I'm liking the flip. If we can close a little bit stronger, just a little bit more, if we can eat this bottom wick.
Oh,
See. Right now it's looking weak. If it fills this wick to the downside, it will be a strong closure or stronger closure. Twenty seconds. Mm, 7 seconds.
this 11 p.m. This 11 candle is about to see.
All right. I mean, it did what's it called? Engulf the previous candle. Let's see if we come back into the zone. It could be a good selling opportunity. Now we got the confirmation candle. So not only the 1 hour wick, it did flip, which is a good sign that sellers are holding the zone. For me, at least now I'd like for it to come back in. Get stop loss above the wick. Maybe sell down to here. Well done. Way to hold. All right. Does anyone on the YouTube have any questions? Hope you never ditch YouTube. You guys are all my saved tasks for news and trading. I really appreciate that love and support, man. If you want to see what's inside, feel free to join us tomorrow for the webinar. But hope everyone has an amazing rest of their day. We'll see if we'll throw another live link for later today. All right, guys. All right, I'll just enter the YouTube. Are there any questions? Let's see.